Hey guys, it's Mrs. Strada. I wanted just to help you get an idea of where we need to go to find all of our math info and then how we need to complete everything all the way to the very end. Now, some of you have not finished going all the way through the math, and some of you have. So let me go ahead and start with the first screen where we go to is our Chandler Unified District website, and then we go to our schools down here at the bottom left. We scroll through the names until we find our school, Navarrete, and that will take us to our homepage. Once we're here at the homepage, we're going to go to this tab right here that says Technology. Click on that. And that brings us to all our web links. If we scroll down, we can see our Think Central, and that's the link we want to go into because that's where Miss Param and I have put all of the reading and math to do. So here, you're going to go in. You'll have all of these set, so don't worry about this. So that's just my subset. So on here, you will put your student ID, and you log in. Once you log into this screen, you'll go here to things to do. So all of our assignments are here. That way you don't have to be searching or looking for anything that you can't find. Now we'll scroll down. We're going to go into, I'll go into this lesson, the measurement lesson of 9.4. We'll click on that. And again, it's telling us that this is what we're going to go into. So I'll click on that one as well. Now, this screen here will bring us to our starting point for the math lesson. If you look down here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots at the bottom. Green, blue, purple, orange, and red. So what all of these do is they help us. At first, our green area will tell us the essential question that we have to answer, And in this case, it's how can drawing a diagram help when solving problems about length? So what we'll do is you'll hit start. And when you hit start, it will take us through the lesson. So let's go ahead and hit start here.
Hi there! Some kids were out here today flying this kite. They were really having fun until one of the strings on the kite broke. Click the kite to see how long the broken string is now.
So we'll come over here with our mouse down to the bottom, and we will double click on the mouse, on the kite.
Oh my! The string is only 12 centimeters long now. Earlier, it was 23 centimeters long. I wonder how many centimeters of string broke off of the kite. Maybe we can draw the distances on a number line to help us solve this problem. What do you think? Come on, let's go find out.
So now it's prompting us to hit the next button. So we will hit the next button, and that will
Nate had 25 centimeters of string. He gave 7 centimeters of string to Myra. How much string does Nate have now? Asking yourself some questions will help you solve the problem. First, what do you need to find?
I'll pause that really quick. So here at this, in this blue circle, it's going to teach us the lesson. It's going to teach us a strategy to use to complete the lesson. So it'll ask us to listen and focus on what we need to find. Then it will ask us to plan. After we read the word problem, we need to plan. We need to know what information do I use. And then finally, it will help us solve. So let's listen in.
You need to find how much string Nate has now. Then, what information do you need to use? Nate had 25 centimeters of string. He gave 7 centimeters of string to Myra. Let's solve the problem by using a number line. This is the length of Nate's string at the start of the problem, 25 centimeters. The string starts at the 0 on the number line and ends at the 25. Each space on the number line stands for 1 centimeter. This arrow shows the 7 centimeters of string that Nate gave to Myra. It starts at the 25 and points to the left toward the 0. This stands for giving away the 7 centimeters of string. The number sentence shows that 25 centimeters minus 7 centimeters is equal to some centimeters. Now you're ready to solve the problem. The number below the arrow is the number of centimeters of string Nate has left. Nate has 18 centimeters of string left. The missing number was the difference, 18. This tells you that Nate now has 18 centimeters of string.
Now the next section it's going to be taking us to is the purple dot. Here at the purple dot, it's going to help do guided practice. So it's going to help us solve the problem so that in the orange circle we're able to complete those problems on our own. So let's go.
Ellie has a ribbon that's 14 centimeters long. Gwen has a ribbon that's 8 centimeters long. How many centimeters of ribbon do they have? Let's use a number line to find the length of ribbon that Ellie and Gwen have. Ellie's ribbon is 14 centimeters long.
Okay.
Click the number on the number line to show the length of Ellie's ribbon. Start at 0 and count 14 spaces along the number line.
So that's what I would do. I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'll click right here and then I'll check my work.
That's right. The 14 centimeter mark shows the length of Ellie's string. Now you need to add Gwen's 8 centimeters of ribbon to Ellie's 14. Show the number on the number line where Gwen's ribbon ends.
So I'd show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's check my work.
That's right. The 22 centimeter mark shows where Gwen's ribbon ends. Which number sentence shows the problem?
Now, did I do 14 minus 8? Did I do 8 plus something equals something? Or did I do 14 plus 8?
Good job! The number sentence 14 plus 8 shows this problem. How many centimeters of ribbon do Ellie and Gwen have? That's not it. 14 plus 8 is equal to 22. So Ellie and Gwen have 22 centimeters of ribbon.
Oh, so in that case, I guess we had to click on the number line so that it would show the number and then click OK. See if we could try it.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Okay, so now we're here. In order to start the personal math trainer, we have to click on the whistle. And it will take us to this screen. Now here we only have 2 problems that we work on independently. So it says, the first one says, select the number sentence using a box for the missing number, then solve. So we have to first find out what the information is telling us to find out what we're going to be using. And then at the end, we'll write down our answer. So the question says, a chain of paper clips is 16 centimeters long. And Sandra adds 4 centimeters of paper clips to the chain. How long is the chain now? So what we can do, if I don't understand how to do the problem, I can come up here to the left hand side up at the top. It says view example. So I'll click on that and it will show me how I would go in and solve the problem. So it would read this problem to me. If I click it, oh wait, no.
A chain of paper clips is 16 centimeters long. Sandra adds 4 centimeters of paper clips to the chain.
And then here it shows me with the number line. Now there are also tools that you can use if you go to your toolkit. If you needed a number line, you can click on here and pull out a number line, but there's already one here for us. Now the next thing that we would do is we'll go down here and we have to select our problem. So is our problem saying, is it 16 plus 20? Or is it 16 plus 4? Or 16 plus 16? And here it's already chosen for us. 16 plus 4 is our number sentence, and our answer is 20. And now we'll go ahead and try another. So the problem reads, a chain of paper clips is 16 centimeters long, and Sandra adds 4 centimeters to a paper clip to the chain. So now we get to put it on our own. So 16 plus 4 is down here for C, and our total is right here, 20. So I would type in 20, and then I'll check my answer.
Good job!
Okay, now I'll go on to the next problem. It says a ribbon was 3 centimeters long. Then Martha cut a piece off to give to Teo. Now the ribbon is 2 centimeters long. So they show me here on the number line 1, 2, 3, that's our length of our ribbon, and they're cutting it. They cut it, and now there's only 2 centimeters left. So I would go backwards to take away those 2. So 1 and 2, it leaves me with 1 centimeter. So then I would hit next. And here I have the 20 centimeters. So check my answer.
Fantastic!
Both of my answers were correct. So now I can go ahead and exit the personal trainer. Now at the end, the last one, I'll go ahead and go to
Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer. It includes the exercise you saw at the beginning of the lesson.
Next, I would go to personal math trainer. So I'll click on that one. And then I would go through all of these problems on my own. I would check my answers on each one, just like the first one.
Fantastic!
And they're all completed. Now, I would hit the turn it in.
Thanks for helping me figure out how much string broke off the kite. See you soon!
And then all you would do is you'd go back up, hit your little X, and you would be finished with all of your math lesson. So I hope that this helps, and see you guys soon. Bye.